As we are now partners and doing business together, let me also give you a brief on how your association with us can also help you in providing service to your in-house and regular guests through our travel solutions. Every guest who is staying in your hotel would also be looking at traveling ahead and might also require a hotel room in another city, because not every guest comes with a prefixed itinerary for his travel plan. So in that case, he lands up at your hotel's reception asking for a travel booking done in terms of his requirement for flight, buses or trains, or he might also ask for a hotel room in another city which you might not be able to provide today because you are a standalone hotel, or you might not have a hotel of your own company in another city. In that case, we enroll your hotel as an agency in our system, that is on Via, and give you the opportunity to book these travel tickets at your hotel's reception or at your hotel's travel desk itself. So now every time when you do a booking of any travel ticket, whether it's flight or bus, the incentives or the commission passed down by these travel partners, that is airlines or bus companies, would now start getting credited to your account, to your hotel's agency account, because now you are a partner with Via as an agency, and therefore you're entitled to get those commissions on every booking which is being done at your end. Similarly, when a customer is looking for traveling ahead to another city and he wants a hotel room and you are not able to process that request, we recommend you to sell these hotel cards at your hotel's counter to the customer based on his budget. And every time when you sell these cards to them, you get an incentive or a commission on the card value as per the denomination of the card, which means if a customer is buying a card of, let's say, a value of 1,999 or 2,999 or 4,999, you get a certain commission paid by Via for the sale which you have done at your hotel's desk. This thereby gives solutions to your customer in terms of getting his travel ticket done and also getting a hotel booking done at your desk without he venturing out and finding out a solution in the market. Through these two simple solutions, now you can service a customer's requirement in terms of both his travel requirements, and he gets a hotel booking done at your end and he gets a ticket done at your end, which makes his life much easier, and now he can travel peacefully. Via has its own list of registered members who transact for all their travel needs through us or through our business partners, and they today do these bookings either through Via.com, or he can do this booking through hotel to the preferred hotels which are with Via, or the agencies which are with Via, associated with Via. We offer one of its kind membership program where a customer can earn loyalty points on every stay when he is making at a hotel or he is doing a booking on Via. Being a member hotel, a customer can now become a member at the hotel itself by applying for a co-branded membership card. The card will have the hotel's logo and the Via's logo showing there, which means the customer can now stay at that hotel and avail the discounts offered by the hotel, and he can also gain points on every time when he is making a booking for whether it's for flight, bus or train or a hotel itself. He will be entitled to get loyalty points credited to his account. So I look forward to doing business together with you and assure you of the convenience of doing business with Via, which will give you a whole world of opportunity to gain mileage from our membership base, from our business partners, from the hotels which are associated with us, and you might gain to have your room sold from various price points, from various point of sales, and also benefit from the earning which you will make through our travel program by being an agency on our system. Thank you so much, and I look forward to partnering with you.